better. And moving up by the release, Haywire is speed up in St. Lipa, now running in second. Heading towards the 1,000-meter mark, Haywire in command by 3/4 of a length lead. Running in second is St. Lipa. Down in third is Speed Up Firmed. About to pass the last 800. Haywire still leading the field. St. Lipat remains in second. Speed Up Firmed remains in third. Dumadagundong down in fourth, followed by Getting Better. Then followed over by War Alert. Next in line, Frozen Margarita. 3A, Mr. Integrity, Elgin and Chairman Ed San Marino is running at the tail of the field as they turn to the last 450. Haywire still leading the field, maintaining a 2 lengths lead. St. Lipat in second is sneaking in down on the inside is Speed Up Firmed with the last 200 meters more to run. Haywire is Speed Up Firmed now takes the lead by the rail. Running on the outside, Haywire Getting Better 3 wide with the last 75 meters. Now we have Getting Better takes the lead over Haywire and finally Getting Better. Haywire, War Alert close between Dumadagundong and Speed Up Firmed St. Lipat for your...
Wala na, sumobra na.